All right, in this video we'll be looking at choices that you can take as a freshman next year here at MHS. And so I'm just going to kind of go over those options with you quickly. Honors track, you can see here as a freshman, you'll be able to take honors biology, chemistry as a sophomore, and either AP physics or honors physics as a junior, depending on just what math class you're in and probably some of your goals and future course requirements. You can see here some of the other options that are available that we have, advanced placement classes in our science department, none of which are available for freshmen. If you're planning on the honors track as a freshman, honors biology is the correct course. Non-honors track is going to be integrated science 1 with a biology focus, and then 2 and 3 chem focus and physics focus as sophomores and juniors. The state of Kentucky only requires 3 science credits in order to graduate high school, and so that's why we have these 3 science credits here. Lots of students graduate with more than 3 science credits, particularly in the honors track where there's lots of different availability. Which one should you take? Well, I have 3 things here to talk about that. And I'm going to talk about the first 2, and then I'm going to talk about how the third one has a whole lot to do with the first 2. So work ethic is a big thing. If you have a good work ethic, meaning if you know how to study, or at least are willing to learn how to study, and you also plan on turning in all your work and doing your work on time, then perhaps the honors program is right for you. If you're concerned that maybe that's not something that you've established yet in your academic career, then honors program is not good for you because it's going to bury you pretty quickly. There's a big difference. I don't give a lot of homework in my class, but if you don't study for my class, it's going to show pretty quickly on test day. Attendance is another one. If you miss school a lot, then you probably don't need to take an honors class. People miss school for lots of reasons, and so this isn't any kind of judgment on that, but if you know that you're going to be one that's absent quite a bit, then honors program is not a good idea, and perhaps a non-honors program would be better. Just goals. So just quickly, because as you heard, the bell just rang. If you're planning on going to a 4-year university, then honors program is definitely something you should consider because it's going to prepare you for that kind of coursework. If you are planning on going to any kind of technical school, particularly any kind of STEM related field like nursing or something along those lines, then you should definitely consider an honors track because the type of coursework that's going to be expected of you after high school is going to be difficult, and honors is going to prepare you for that. If you are not planning on doing that, if you're planning on perhaps going to a trade school where you're going to start some of that trade school training here in the high school at the area technology center, then a non-honors track is going to be fine for you. And if your goal is just to simply pass the class, which I know for some of you that's your goal, then definitely the non-honors track is what is right for you. If you have questions, I know this is very quick, but it had to be that way just because I've had to record this multiple times. If you have questions, please email me. There's my email. There's a QR code that leads to my email. We'd be happy to answer those questions for you. And again, thank you for spending time watching this. Let me know